Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to keep certain emails out of your HubSpot CRM. If you're managing a busy inbox and want to prevent specific addresses or entire domains from cluttering your CRM records, this quick setting will give you complete control over what gets logged and tracked. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all your tools and settings. Now, hover over the top right side of your screen and look for the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on it to open your account settings. This is your control center for customizing how HubSpot works for your specific needs. You'll be directed to the General tab, and this is exactly where we need to be to make these changes. From here, look at the top of the menu on the left side, and you'll see an option labeled Email. Go ahead and click on it. This section is dedicated to managing all your email-related preferences and configurations within HubSpot. Once you're in the email menu, this is where you'll modify your email settings to control what gets logged into your CRM. The key feature here allows you to block specific email addresses or entire domains from being tracked. This is particularly useful if you want to exclude internal communications, spam addresses, or any domains that aren't relevant to your sales or customer relationship processes. To set this up, simply add the email address or domain you want to block. You can enter individual addresses like spam@example.com or block entire domains by typing something like upcompetitor.com. This flexibility ensures you can keep your CRM clean and focused only on the contacts that matter to your business. After you've added all the emails and domains you want to exclude, click Save at the bottom of the page. This locks in your preferences and immediately starts filtering out those addresses from your CRM tracking. And that's it. You've now configured HubSpot to automatically exclude certain emails from being logged, keeping your CRM organized and relevant. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.